What's going on, guys? Kyle here from Guidewise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to track leads in Google Sheets and GoHighLevel. In Google Sheets, you want to start off by creating a couple of columns. So first name, last name, email, phone number, lead status, and lead source. You can then create drop-down lists by clicking the entire column, going to insert and then drop down. You can then add new lead, contacted, appointment booked, or whatever you need by clicking add another item. So you can then go back to GoHighLevel, go to contacts, smart list. When you get new contacts in, you can either copy them individually or export them as a whole. Go into Google Sheets and then add them in. Then select their lead status, new lead, contacted, appointment booked, and so forth. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to Guidewise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.